Hi and welcome to the session. Let us discuss the following question. Question says, examine if Rolle's theorem is applicable to any of the following functions. Can you say something about converse of Rolle's theorem from these examples? Second part is, fx is equal to x square minus 1 for x belonging to closed interval 1 to. First of all, let us understand what is Rolle's theorem. If we are given a function f from closed interval ab to R and function is continuous on closed interval ab, and differentiable on open interval ab, such that fa is equal to fb, then there exists C belonging to open interval ab such that f dash c is equal to 0. This is the key idea to solve the given question. Now let us start with the solution. We are given fx is equal to x square minus 1 for x belonging to closed interval 1 to. Now clearly we can see this is a polynomial function, and polynomial function is continuous and differentiable everywhere. So we can write function f given by fx is equal to x square minus 1 is continuous in closed interval 1 to. And fx is differentiable in open interval 1 to. Now first two conditions of the Rolle's theorem are satisfied here. Now we will find fa and fb. We know value of a is 1 and value of b is 2. So first of all let us find out f1. This is equal to square of 1 minus 1. Simplifying we get f1 is equal to 0. Now let us find out f2. f2 is given by 2 square minus 1. Now simplifying it further, we get f2 is equal to 3. Now clearly we can see f1 is not equal to f2. So third condition of the Rolle's theorem is not satisfied here. So we can write Rolle's theorem is not applicable to the given function. Now let us discuss converse of Rolle's theorem. If we are given function f from closed interval ab to R and function f is continuous on closed interval ab, and it is differentiable on open interval ab, and there is some C belonging to open interval AB such that f dash C is equal to 0, then FA is equal to FB. Now in the given question, we are given fx is equal to x square minus 1 for x belonging to closed interval 1 to. We have already shown above that given function is continuous on closed interval 1 to and it is differentiable on open interval 1 to. Now let us find if there exists some C such that f dash C is equal to 0. For that we will first find out f dash x. Now differentiating both the sides with respect to x, we get f dash x is equal to 2x. Now C be any real value belonging to open interval 1 to such that f dash C is equal to 0. Now we know f dash C is equal to 2C. We also know that f dash C is equal to 0. So we can write 2C is equal to 0. Now dividing both sides by 2, we get C is equal to 0. Now clearly we can see 0 does not belongs to open interval 1 to, or we can say C does not belongs to open interval 1 to. Now since C does not belongs to open interval 1 to, FA is not equal to FB, or we can say F1 is not equal to F2. Converse of Rolle's theorem states that FA is equal to FB only when C belongs to open interval AB. Here C does not belongs to open interval 1 to, so F1 is not equal to F2. We can verify this result by finding the values of F1 and F2. This we have already shown above that F1 is equal to 0 and F2 is equal to 3. So both the values are unequal. Now since C does not belongs to open interval 1 to, so converse of Rolle's theorem is not applicable to the given function. This completes the session. Hope you understood the session. Take care and have a nice day.